Look at that. He's trying to get it. He's biting again. What did you find, Arnie?
That's eel.
Is the baby conger?
Kind of a kid.
Will you let it go?
Let's throw it to mom. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Arnie, look at the birdie. It definitely is quite interested.
Yep. You'll definitely want to. This seal is one to swim to shore. Okay.
Arnie, look at the bird. He likes my lure.
He doesn't like the eel.
Wow. He actually hit my... Look at that. He's trying to get it. He's biting again.
Pipefish!
Look at the seagull. What's going on?
Look, pipefish. Pipefish. Oh yeah, pipefish.
Yeah.
Pipefish.
Am I going to get another bite? Look at the bird.
Oh, rats. And again, under a rock stone.
Fortunately, I have just singles there, so it's pretty safe for them anyway. Come on, bird. Learn your lesson. You'd think like...
Here we go, beauty. Nice and free.
So it's basically a Fshs species, I believe. I guess pretty much clone or copy. It was just the first try, but what I changed was the species original basically just swims like this with slightly tail down, and I just balanced it similar to Chappie, so it's pretty much this way and very much this way, so it walks the dog I think much better. You find
The
massive monster?
yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah. It was hanging onto my jacket the whole way. It bit onto my jacket.
Was it?
Yeah.
Is it going to bite?
Jesse.
No.
It only when you squeeze it or something.
It's peaceful.
Yeah. I know it. Yeah.
Wow.
No more.
Look at the beak.
See his teeth?
Show me the teeth.
Teeth. Gobbies have teeth.
Okay, no.
Yep.
Let it go.
Yep. Time.